Hi everyone, this is Isabella Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. Um, I am here today to invite you on behalf of my paper loving sisters and myself to our very first Christmas in July hop. Well, actually, our very first hop period. So um, we decided to, this was a kind of a spur of the moment decision. Um, we hopefully will come back in during Christmas time or some other time and do a better organized hop. But so this one we're announcing today, and it will start, well, it's only a 1 day hop. Um, but you will be hopping from channel to channel, and it's the Christmas in July Paper Lovers Hop. Okay, and the participants are Lily Fee the Paper Witch, Junk Journal Craft Lena, myself, and Denise. Denise Abate Smith, my bestie. So we're just we want to bring you just a little bit of inspiration to get started with your Christmas projects, because you all know how that is, especially if you craft for Christmas. The videos will be short, but there will be prizes. Um, so I invite you all to join us on Monday, July 17th, which is this coming Monday and the day after tomorrow, uh, at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Uh, if you're Pacific, then you're 3 p.m. And if you're in Europe, because my friends are from Europe, Lily Fee the Paper Witch and Junk Journal Craft Lena are in Europe. They are 6 p.m. Europe time. Okay, and again, the videos will be short. I don't think there's going to be more than maybe 15 minutes top videos. Um, so, but you must be subscribed to all of us, all four channels, and hop from one channel to the other until you're caught up with all of us. You're going to have approximately a week to watch, and then we will come back to pick our winners. Okay, now in the case of Lily Fee the Paper Witch and Junk Journal Craft Lena, I will be picking for them because, again, they are Italian and they don't want to have any misinterpretations or anything. So they asked me if I would pick for them, and I obviously gladly will do that for them. They will be gifting, each of them will be giving away a the kit that they use for their project. Okay, and hang on here, is that correct? I know that Lily Fee, the Paper Witch, which is Daniela, is going to be gifting away the kit that I'm using from her. And then Lena is going to be gifting the kit that she uses, if I'm not mistaken. We will clear that up as we go along here, but I'm pretty sure that's how it is. Um, I'm not sure about Denise and myself. We're either going to also give away the same papers, or we may be giving away what we made or make. Um, yeah, so we will come to that very soon. So like the day after tomorrow, I'm sure you'll know. But yes, I am inviting you. We are all inviting you to get inspired with us, and to just, comment, subscribe, and participate if you so desire to win one of the papers or whatever it is that we're giving away. And that's it. So I believe that is it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments, and everyone's channels will be in the description area of our announcement videos and of our hop video. Okay, so that you can get to watch everyone's channel. And again, you must be 18 years or older. Subscribe to all 4 channels. Comment, like, and this is not sponsored by YouTube or any other third party. So I believe that's it. So yes, I hope to see you all soon, and I hope you get inspired. And I know that the time is a little odd because for us it's 12 p.m. Where and I'm talking about Eastern time, where a lot of you will probably be working. I know some don't work outside, but some do. But you will have a few days to catch up. The reason for the odd timing is so that my other friends can all be, because we're all in different places. Like Denise is Pacific time, so she's 3 hours away from me and 9 hours away from Daniela and Lena. So it's I had to try and find a time that worked for all of us. So please be patient with us and join us. And I hope you like what we make. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. All right, take care, and we will see you on Monday. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.